Hi everyone! Today is day number 4 on Mallorca. We want to ask how much is a car. I think the cabrio will be not less than 100 a day. So all the cars are manual and the cheapest one is 50 euro per day. But the cabrio, Mini Cooper cabrio is 70. So we decided that we can take cabrio. We are here now on one of the sides of Arenal. It's a really beautiful place. Really hot. Today it's 34 degrees.
Hello. Hello.
No, I don't know. Thank you. It's better to stay at home in such a heat. Now it's time to chill. Now we're going to play pool. This is my husband's, and this pink one is mine.